F8 scanner comes in a two-part box secured with plastic strapping. To begin unpacking, carefully cut the straps securing the box. Using the handles located on the sides of the box, lift the cover and set aside. On top of the foam insert, you'll see the unboxing guide, the safety and setup guide, blue tack, Ethernet cable, and power cable. Remove these items and set them aside. Following the unboxing guide, rotate and remove the black fasteners located on the side to release the wall of the box. Carefully slide the insert out of the cardboard box along the arrow indicated. Lift the top half of the insert and set aside. Inside, you will find the box containing the scanner tools and the scanner wrapped in foil. Remove the toolbox and place in a safe spot. To remove the scanner from the insert, ensure the back of the scanner is closest to you. It is recommended to unbox the scanner with 2 people. Firmly grasp the scanner by its sides and pull gently to remove from the insert. Remove the foil. Place the scanner on a stable horizontal surface. Gently remove the insert securing the scanner arm by sliding it to the side, taking care not to touch the scanner arm or camera.